A few years ago, nobody knew what a crossover was. Now it seems everyone wants a hatchback with the rugged good looks of a 4x4, but without the high running costs. The SX4 S-Cross is Suzuki's contender in this ever more popular sector of the tow car market. We're testing the 1.6 diesel four-wheel drive in high-spec SZ5 trim. Despite the extra weight of the 4x4 drivetrain, it's quite a light car with a curb weight of just 1370 kilograms. That gives an 85% match figure of 1170